need to cut the circle, okay? So now I cut the circle shape. You can also cut any shape. And now you need to draw a small circle with small cap. Now I'm going to draw the line so I can draw very neatly the small circle. So now you need to draw here. To draw a small circle. Now I draw a circle all the way, and now time to cut. So you see, I already cut all the small circles. See? Now I'll show you how to make puppet. You see, it actually works. So I'll show you. Cut a small piece, and now take one marble and take one cap and put top, and take a marble and put back, okay? So I'm going to put it here, and without hair straightener, you know that? So now I'm going to bend it very hard. Oh, it's very hard, you know. It's super. Like that you should do, like cap top, marble back, and you will bend it and it will come up. No tape, no hair straightener. I can't believe this actually worked. So you can see it actually coming little bit up. It's come up. So you see, actually I bend with cap, marble, and I bend, and it turned into like real puppet. Now I need to stick right here like this. Now I need to cut like this. See? Like this. And you see the back. Oh, it's real puppet. See? But now you should stick it, okay? Now I stick all the round of small circle shape, and now puppet fidget toy is ready. Let me show you how to puppet. See, I already made puppet fidget toy. See how many